Tradewithant here, and today, Sunday, Sunday, February 22nd, I'm gonna be showing you guys my watch list, what I'm looking at, and what I'm currently in. And I only held AMD puts over the weekend due to the news. So right here, let's see, I got in at this area, 199, yeah, 60, literally 199.60 is when I got my puts. It ran up, did this little thing, came back down, ran up, came down. I'm watching these areas right here, these little sweeps, 195, 195. A break below this 197, and then this 198, it broke below already. Let me see what it is. They are currently at 196.64 at night. So let's see how they are in the morning. But in the morning, I'm hoping for more of a sell-off. 195 break, we'll see more bearish. So especially after Nvidia, depending on the earnings, how that goes, AMD will follow. I'm also looking at, this one's gonna be a good one, BBY, Best Buy. And the reason I'm looking at Best Buy is when you go to the further chart, look at this. These areas right here. Strong area, strong area, strong area, strong area. And then it fell down, but it's going to reclaim that area. So I want to see how it moves in this exact area over here. Oh, ew. What is that? Boom. Let's remove that. Let's remove that. This area right here is what I'm looking for. This reclaim of the 64 area. So this whole, I want to see how it plays out. And if it reclaims, I would say 64.50 area. If it reclaims that area and I see a stronger candle, and obviously on the flow, if I see calls coming in, I'll get some calls. But if we try to retest, break below, we'll be looking more bearish on the downside. So we'll see how this plays out for Best Buy. But this chart is calling my attention. Huge. I love it. I'm definitely going to play them, just depending on what kind of plays we're looking at. But look at this right here too. 62 area, strong support. Especially if we go on the hourly chart. I mean, look at that strong support at the 62 area. That was beautiful. Boom, bought back up. Right here, bought back up. Now I just want to see this area, how this plays out. Boom, 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 boom. Right there. So I want to see this area, reclaim. Another one is Netflix. I've been looking at Netflix right here. I've been trading them for a minute now. Kind of learning their chart at this point. La, 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 la. Come on, Netflix. What you doing, man? Alright. Sorry for the... There we go. So Netflix. Love this chart. It was very, very bearish. I can tell you that. I've been watching it fall, gap down every week, every day. A little climb up, big fall down. Been crazy. But I love this area right here. This 75 area. Ooh, I got some calls here. Boom, sold around this area. So now I'm watching for this. I want to see a hold above the 79 area. If 79 area holds, we're looking at bull. Bulls coming in, taking out the bears, and running up. But strong rejection over this area where recent support was right here. Came up, fell down, gap down, support, support, support. I want to find more support in this area. So this area right here is already calling my attention, which I did get into. These areas right here. Now I want to see a hold above this area, and if it holds above this area, we're going to be looking for more upside. If it tries to consolidate, we see more sells, obviously downside, which is bearish. But then, if they do have a downside, I want to see that 75 level. I'll play that level for long calls, and we'll go up. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I love you, Netflix. Making money, baby. Okay, let's see another one I'm looking at. Cat, for sure. Cat. Caterpillar. Love this chart right here as well. Just look at that. Strong support in this area already. Came up, tried. I seen them on Friday try to come up to 771 area. Couldn't reclaim it. Fell down, but consolidating again. So I just want to be patient on this. See how it moves when it's consolidating. Either for more upside potential or downside potential. So from there, we'll see how that comes out. This area here. These areas here are strong. Huge buyback here. More area. More area. And then more area. This comes down here. And obviously I see some buying candles. Get some calls. If this tries to come up here, rejects this strong area right here, I'll be getting puts. Just playing the chart, you know. I'm not. A lot of people hate on it. I don't know why. Oh, puts. I mean, I'm making money both sides, baby. So those are the stocks I'm looking at tomorrow. Nothing crazy. I want to focus on those, obviously, along with SPY and QQQ and how the markets are moving. Obviously, that's another story right there. Look at this area on SPY. Or QQQ, sorry. Look at that. 609 area strong. 608 ran up to 610. Fell down. So we'll see what's up with the markets. But those are the main stocks I'm looking at. Obviously, I'm going to be watching SPY and QQQ. Watching the market open up in the morning and seeing how everything's playing out. I'm already holding AMD puts. So thank you guys. Trade with Ant here. Subscribe.